So, I want to ask you one question. सर अगर मेरे घर पे मेरे पेरेंट्स को इस बारे में पता चलता है तो हाउ कैन आई मैं उनको समझाऊँ कैसे कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ सही है.
Sister has a question that if the parents come to know at home, how will she convince the parents that what she's doing is the truth? Sister, first thing is that you start loving your parents more, number one. Start loving your mother and father more, obey them, respect them, follow them, unless if they tell you something against Allah and His Rasul, that's the only time you disobey. There should be a difference between what you were before and what you are now. Maybe you never used to follow many of their advice. Now, as long as what they say doesn't go against Quran and say Hadith, my request to you is, even if you don't like it, you start following. They should see a difference. This is my daughter before she was a Muslim, and now this is my daughter after she accepted Islam. If they find a change in you, they will start asking you, Arey, yesterday you weren't following me, now you're following everything what I'm saying. Immediately. Why? This is what the Quran says. This is what our beloved Prophet said, that paradise lies beneath the feet of your mother. In this way, you try and win them over. The Quran says in Surah Futila, chapter number 41, verse number 34, that it is better to win over them, and it can be done with hikmah. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 125, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal mawdhat al hasna wajadun billati asan. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in ways that are best and most gracious. I would request you to give my DVD, Similarities Between Islam and Hinduism, to your parents, and inshallah it will soften their heart. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give hidayah to your parents also and to your family members.
Thank you, sir.